Hello, my name is Jerome, and welcome to my Cabalite station. Today I'm working on the Cabalite crawler front end loader, the 963. And today I'm going to show you a little sound system that I got off of AliExpress. Probably cost 15 bucks or less. And I was ordering some stuff on there, so I said, why not? So I'm going to hook it up into the Cabalite and show you how I program the transmitter to make it work. And this sound system is it's not multiple things. It's only sound system that I'm going to hook up to the tracks. So when the speed increases, the sound of the diesel engine will increase. And this is the speaker here. And this is the wiring that goes into the receiver. And that's the package it came in. Here's the Cabalite system. Tilt the cab forward to access the electronics on the inside. And let's see. This here is the receiver. So I can just pull this right out of its casing. It was unnecessary, but I just wanted you to see the receiver. And with the sound system, since I have an open spot, channel 10, I can just plug this in there. If I needed to go in between, say 6 and 7 are my right and left tracks, I could take this, where am I? Let me zoom out. They have this set up that, say I put it in channel 6 and the wiring harness, the other end goes in here, so this is in series with it. It would only work with channel 6. But I'm going to put it in channel 10 and do some mixing and make channel 7 and channel 6 mix in with channel 10, kind of like if this were a hydraulic pump. So when you turn one thing, both things work. So I'll just simply plug that in there, and that's that. Didn't need to pull this out, but I wanted to make it clearer. Slide him back in his house. And the speaker, it's 2-wire speaker. Just make sure the red wire lines up with the red wire and the black wire with the black wire. And that's it. So that's the diesel sound right there. Now I'm going to show you how I program the transmitter to make this work. I'll enter the general menu and scroll down till I reach mixes. And channel 6 and channel 7 are the channels I'm mixing in with the sound system, which is put in channel 10. So in channel 6, first thing I did was turned it on and scrolled down and made channel 6 the master. So when I move the wheel for channel 6, either way, forward or backwards, channel 10, which is the sound system, comes on at the same time. If I back out of here and go to channel 7, I did the same thing. First had to enable it by turning that on. Make channel 7 the master and channel 10 is the slave. And as I move this wheel, it turns on the sound with it. Make those changes and the system will work. I found changing the normal and the reverse to different values really didn't matter. It didn't change the sound at all. I guess it matters more with the hydraulic pump than with this sound system. But that's how you can throw a quick sound system into your crawler or front end loader. That's all the tips for today. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, click like, and I'll bring you more tips later. Thank you.